Alright, let's see if it fires up. Fired up. Leaking. Obviously, I've got adjustments to do on the push rods. Leakage over here. Good. Oh yeah, she runs. Obviously all the chemicals and whatnot I still need to clean down. Get the chemicals cleaned off. I need to go back in and readjust, which should be so much easier with these push rod covers. No signs of leakage there. I'm going to let the lifters bleed back down and then I'll readjust everything. Progress.
Alright, let's take a quick look. Triple play. We got inserts. These are the amber whites, going to go up on the front. These are going to be, I believe, the red and yellers that are going to go in the back. Get those set up too. That's just an empty box. Alright, I got two. Yeah, there are two sets. Lenses. Clear lenses, because an amber lens with white LED is probably going to be kind of silly. In addition, somewhere around here I have my lens covers. Don't I? I guess I gotta find them. I have lens covers around too. So, things we've gotten done on the bike thus far. I've got the rear pegs on now. Rear floorboards. Got those groomed style ones. As you can see here. And these are tightened down to 10 foot-pounds, just like they said, but I think I'm going to re-tighten them some more. I don't think I like the 10 foot-pounds, but... Alright. That one down there I've got new headlight bucket. So, let's get it installed. Let's get you guys a little view. Stock, brand new. This is the Genesis Gen 4. Is it? I think it is. I don't have the the turn signal thing in there yet, but as you can see, a little bit of a difference. Now in my case, I did pick up, what did I do with them? I probably already put them away. I did pick up some cleared lenses to put in here, but they won't work with my visor style trim rings, because the stock ones are thinner than the aftermarket custom dynamic ones. Custom dynamic ones required longer screws and everything, so yeah, didn't go that route. I'm gonna get that side done next. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what the
LEDs I've got here look like. I've got the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam brake light in there. On the left side, I've got a just generic built-in lens smoked red LED. Over on the right side, I've got the Eagle Eyes Gen 2. So, ignition. Go ahead and hit the right side.
This one?
Turn signal, yep. Go ahead and let that blink. Hit the other side, the left side turn signal.
Alright.
You can't reach across?
Oh. Silly me!
Hit the right side turn signal. Brake.
Don't tell me we're running brakes!
Can you do the brake and the left side turn signal?
That might be hard.
You did it! Nice job.
I
Hold
know.
brake.
What's that? What?
Brake.
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 Right. Is this the brake?
Yep. Can you hit the right side again?
Oh,
With the brake?
oh God. This hurts. This very much hurts.
Can you hit the right side turn signal and then the brake? There you go. I honestly like the Eagle lights better. Alright, go ahead and turn it off.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, non-ignition! Pow!
You're a goofball. Well, that's not awesome. Got the front of Softy apart because I found this as I was working on extending my wiring. Rather, I shouldn't say extending. I'm actually just going to be putting a three-way on here because I've got my JW speaker front LED match up with my JW speaker passing lamps. Gently set you on here. I need to pull these out. I need to go ahead and disconnect these so I can go ahead and get that completely off there. So yeah, anyway, I found this. There's oil and whatnot. It's obviously been coming out, and that, worried me. Also not happy with the condition of these guys, so I figured, why chance it? Gonna go ahead and rebuild it. So why'd that happen? That bolt is broken. I don't know if you guys will be able to see in there. Oh yeah. Broken bolt. I gotta get that out of there. I think first thing I'll do is get this off. So let's make that happen.